back with another video. So I'm going to be making Godzilla by Eminem featuring Juice WRLD in 10 minutes or under. I hope so. Without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Right, okay, so first of all, we are going to load up an ES2 synthesizer. And before we do that, let's just drop this BPM down to about 83. We're going to Command A, Q to quantize the bad boy, and we're going to lower this velocity to about there. And after we've done that, you want to Command R, repeat that over, and there you are. We got our bass synth there, but we're not quite done with that yet. We're going to mess about with it in the X2 synthesizer here. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this to mono and make sure the sound don't clash. Then after that, we are going to go to the LFO right here. We're going to turn this down to here, and we're going to turn this to a square wave, and we're going to bring this about maybe there. Turn down to FL3, sine square wave, turn it down there. The resonance, we'll turn this up, cut off, and I can lower that down. Turn the decay up. We're going to turn this drive up actually. The release goes up a bit. We're going to EQ this out just a bit. And also I'm going to send this to a bus, and I'm going to add in my own taste of reverb. We're going to go ahead and add in a exciter. Now we're going to just move on and just put the drums down. Right, so we'll drag this one in. The clap's also laid with another clap, so I'm going to show you quickly what clap that one's identical to. Yeah, so something like this clap. We're going to layer it over this one. Add a bit of reverb to this, so we'll send it to a bus. And next we're going to add in the crash cymbal. Okay, so we're going to just use this one here. We are going to add ourselves a kick. Right, so we're going to use this kick. There you are. So we've got that pattern there. So let's just quickly add in a hi-hat, just so we can get the, the main bounce going on with it. Alright, so we're going to use this one here. So I just need to quickly create myself a new track. So let me just do that there. Also, I'm going to create another hi-hat channel because they play like some rolls at the end of each section. So we're going to add that in there. So we're going to duplicate that, drag it down here. Something like that. We can work with something like that. All right, next thing I want to add in, that squeaky bed percussion or squeaky chair. I don't know what it is, but I recently was looking up online yesterday for it and I found this. So hopefully this will work for us. So I'm going to drag this in here. So I'm going to cut this off at the beginning, and I'm going to duplicate that over onto the end track. There you are. That'll do for now. I noticed that the squeaky sound goes from left to right here, so we're going to add a tremolo there to make that go through there. Right, next thing we're going to add in is our bass. We cannot forget the source of the track. We can't forget the bass. I think we can put this one in for now, so we're going to drag that one in and we're going to see how this works. So it's pretty much going to be the same pattern as the kick. So we're going to highlight all these. I'm going to duplicate it down by holding Alt. So we need to bring some more energy to this, so we're going to add an overdrive, distortion. And we're going to EQ this out just a bit. Right, okay, so that's in C. So we need to fix that. kick, the bass, I mean, we are going to, yeah, I can't speak today. So we're going to raise the release just a little bit here. And also we're going to add in 2 chants that were featured in the track. And these were the chants that were featured in the track. Yeah, so we're going to add them 2 in there. So let's open Serato Sampler. My guy, let's open you up. We're going to drag you in here. Right, so we'll just leave that there, and we're going to extend them just a little bit. EQ this out just a bit. Add a bit of reverb. Now let's put this second one in. There you are. Make sure to sync this up so it's at the normal BPM. It's the generic trap producer's chant sound effect that's used. And that's it. Easy as done. Just before I forget, we're going to turn this up 12 semitones right up here, so make sure to do that. So we're going to put these down an octave. So Command A, I'm going to Alt Shift, I'm going to press arrows, the key arrow down. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to drag this over, we're going to Command R, repeat them over a couple of times, and we are going to get rid of all these over here. And we are going to raise this up an octave. So Command A, Alt and Shift and arrow key up. We're going to export this out, create it into audio file, and we're going to reverse that. Here we are, we got our exported file here. Click on that, we're going to go up to this menu here, click the arrow down, click on more, and we're going to hit reverse. So just move this back here, somewhere about there. Right, so over in this section, we're going to add the explosion sound effect that it uses just before the chorus. So we're going to add that in there. We're going to put this in here. Command A, we quantize that. And we want to make this punch a bit more as well. So you know, overdrive. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on the hook now actually, so let's just work on with that very quickly. The first thing first, what we're going to do is we are going to look for some pizzicato strings because those instruments are used during the chorus section when Juice WRLD's vocals come in. Right, next we're going to add in the piano stabs, so we're going to quickly just create a new channel. We're going to open up addictive keys. There you are. Now got something like that. And also as well, there's like some sine synth in there that's been played as well. So I'm going to try and look for a sound that's similar to that. I might use this one for now actually. One there. Alright, so all together we got something like this. Right, one more thing we need to add in here is the piano notes that get played at the end of the first part of the chorus. Reverb. Oh, who cannot complain about reverb? EQing for this piano melody. I'm going to add RC20 on top of this because it has like a filter on the piano melody. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the clap here, and I'm going to pitch it down using Sound Shifter, and I'm going to give it like a bit of a more of a grittier sound. Yeah, and also guys, sorry if this tutorial or video just didn't go like how it's supposed to. This is kind of like my first remade I ever made, so it's going to be a bit sloppy. Yeah, this is me making Godzilla by Eminem featuring Juice WRLD. I'm going to rearrange the beat quickly, and I hope you enjoy it, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on to the next video. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you in a bit.
You're a monster.